Earthquake. Magnitude 3.1 quake strikes off Northern California coast. A shallow magnitude 3.1 earthquake was reported Saturday afternoon about 125 miles west of Eureka, Calif. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the tremor occurred at 12:09 p.m. Pacific time at a depth of 6.2 miles. According to the USGS, the epicenter was about 113 miles from Cape Town, Calif, and 124 miles from Fortuna. In the last 10 days, there have been no earthquakes of magnitude 3.0 or greater centered nearby. This information comes from the USGS Earthquake Notification Service, and this post was created by an algorithm written by the author.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.